Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful and very simple beanie hat with a beautiful stitch that's called herringbone double crochet. The body of this hat is made by repeating 2 rounds only, and I made this hat for child size. And I used worsted weight yarn and 5mm hook for the brim and 4.5mm for the body, because this stitch, the herringbone double crochet, make the fabric wider than the brim of the hat, and you should change to smaller hook for this part, the body of the hat. If you're ready, let's get started. I want to make the folded brim for this hat, so with a bigger hook, make 1 slip knot and then make 16 chains. If you want to make a normal brim, not this folded brim, you can make 8, 9 or 10 chains and start row 1. 60. Okay, now skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into second chain from the hook, then make 1 single crochet into next chain, 1 single crochet into the next, and repeat that work. We should make 1 single crochet into each chain until the end. Now row 1 is finished. Make 1 chain and turn the work to start row 2. In this row, we should make 1 single crochet into back loop of each stitch, except the first and the last stitch, because we want to make a pretty edge. So make the first stitch under both loops of first stitch of previous row, and then make 1 single crochet into back loop of next stitch. Again, 1 single crochet into back loop of the next, and repeat that work. All of these middle stitches should be worked into back loop of the stitch of previous round, and continue until the end. Now for last stitch, again make the single crochet under both loops of the stitch of previous round, such as the beginning stitch. Row 2 is finished. Make 1 chain and turn the work and repeat row 2. Make 1 single crochet under 2 loops of first stitch, and then 1 single crochet into back loop of each of these middle stitches. And at the end, make 1 single crochet under both loops of last stitch. And then we should repeat this row, row 2, several times until the length of our band reaches the circumference. And when we complete the band, we should join 2 sides of that together. Okay, after making 58 rows of single crochets, now my stretchy band is ready, and the length of that is enough for desired circumference. Now put 2 edges of the band together and attach each stitch of last row to front stitch. First make 1 chain and then insert the hook under both loops of first stitch from last row, and after that go to remaining loop of first stitch from row 1 and join them together with slip stitch. Again, go to next stitch under both loops and front stitch, and grab the yarn and pull through. One more time, attach next stitch to front stitch with slip stitch and continue this work for other stitches and attach them with slip stitch until the end. Okay, after joining all stitches of last row and first row together, my brim is ready, and I don't need to turn the brim because I want to make a folded brim, and when I fold this brim in half, these slip stitches are placed into the work. Okay, so make one chain to start the body of the hat. For the first round of the brim, we should make 58 single crochet around this edge. Actually, we should make one single crochet at top of each row of the brim. Okay, first make one single crochet into this hole at top of first row, then go at top of next row, the second row of the brim, and make one single crochet here and hide this tail through the work. Again, go to the next row and make one single crochet at top of that here, one single crochet at top of next row, and continue this work and make one single crochet at top of each row of the brim until the end. One single crochet here, 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 and in other spaces until the end of the round. Now round 1 is finished, and I should make one slip stitch at top of first single crochet, and after that remove the hook and continue my work with smaller hook. Make 2 chain and start round 2. In this round, we should make one herringbone double crochet into each stitch. For making herringbone double crochet, yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, into this joining stitch, and pull up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Then yarn over, pull through first loop on the hook, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, go to next stitch and pull up a loop and pull the first loop through the second loop on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 1 and yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up a loop and pull the first loop through the second loop, then yarn over, pull through 1 and yarn over, pull through 2. And we should repeat that work and make one herringbone double crochet into each stitch until the end of the round. Continue until the end. Okay, round 2 is finished, and I have 58 herringbone double crochet. Make a slip stitch at top of first stitch and then make 2 chain and turn the work to wrong side, and we should start round 3 and work in opposite direction. Okay, and in this round again we should make one herringbone double crochet into each stitch. The first stitch is here. This is a joining slip stitch, skip that, and yarn over, insert the hook into first stitch and pull up a loop, pull the first loop through the second, then yarn over, pull through 1 and yarn over, pull through 2 to create one herringbone double crochet, and repeat that work for next stitch. Pull through second loop, yarn over, pull through 1 and yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat that work and make one herringbone double crochet into each stitch of previous round until the end. Okay, now at the end of round 3, the last stitch should be worked into joining space. Don't ignore that here. This is the last stitch of previous round. And we should make 1 herringbone double crochet into that. And at the end, make a slip stitch at top of first stitch. And round 3 is finished. Make 2 chain and turn the work to right side. And repeat round 3. The first stitch is here, not this joining slip stitch, and we should make 1 herringbone double crochet into that and into each stitch of previous round. Continue until the end. Okay, at the end of round 4, again, the last stitch should be worked into joining stitch here. And then make 1 slip stitch at top of first stitch. And then we should repeat these 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4. Make 2 chain, turn the work to wrong side and make 1 herringbone double crochet into each stitch. And for next round, again make 2 chain and turn the work to right side and make 1 herringbone double crochet into each stitch. And continue making these 2 rounds several times until reach the desired height. Okay, I repeated round 3 and round 4 6 more times. And now the height of my hat is enough when I fold this band. And I should decrease the top of the hat. Make 2 chains and again turn the work. Skip this joining slip stitch and then I should make 1 decrease herringbone double crochet over first 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into first stitch and pull up a loop. Again, go to next stitch and pull up a loop. Now I have 4 loops on the hook. Pull the first loop through next 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 1 and yarn over, pull through 2. And then we should repeat this work and make 1 herringbone double crochet over next 2 stitches. Yarn over, pull a loop from next stitch and again pull a loop from the next. And now pull the first loop through the second and the third loop on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 1 and yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat that work. Pull a loop from next 2 stitches and pull the first through next 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 and pull through 2. And continue this work and make 1 decrease herringbone double crochet over each 2 stitches of previous round until the end. At the end, make 1 slip stitch at top of first, decrease herringbone double crochet, make 2 chain and turn the work and repeat previous round. In this round again we should make 1 decrease herringbone double crochet over each 2 stitch. Skip this joining slip stitch and make 1 decrease herringbone double crochet over first 2 stitches. Then again 1 decrease herringbone double crochet over next 2 stitches and over each 2 stitch until the end of the round. Okay, at the end I made 1 herringbone double crochet into last stitch and now make 1 slip stitch at top of first stitch and I should cut the yarn and pull this yarn and then weaving this tail through all stitches of last round and close this hole. If you want to make this hat for larger sizes, you can repeat this round 1 or 2 more times to have a small circle or small hole at the top of your hat, and after that close that hole. I will close this hole and then I'll come back. Now you can attach a pom-pom at top of your hat. And now this is my beautiful herringbone double crochet hat. It's ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.